This is Hannah, the main manager of a software company, and here is her dev team. They have 2 weeks to finish a MVP project and they look confident. But a week later, they're stuck with merge conflicts and feature incompatibilities. And Hannah, the main manager, didn't know what went wrong behind the scenes.
There are two big problems in the software industry. Real-time task progression tracking, which creates a lot of miscommunication between the devs and the managers, and human work distribution, which is fundamentally biased, unequal, and leads to inefficiency issues. To solve these problems, we created Orchestra.
Orchestra is an agentic product management system that handles work distribution based on the individual performance of developers and reports their progress back to the managers in real time. Here's how it works. The manager begins by feeding the PRD into Orchestra Insights, our management dashboard. The PRD is then automatically broken down into executable tasks, which are then distributed to the devs via our VS Code plugin to ensure that the given task matches their capabilities. When the devs make any commit, the agent scans for commit messages and code diffs to create a readable progress update report. This report is then translated into the required schema for insights to display to the manager. The manager can then talk directly to the reporter agent about how well each dev is going.
Everything starts on the Insights page, where the manager uploads the SRS. This becomes the team's single source of truth, so every task and update traces back to one of the requirement baselines. Once uploaded, the Big Boss agent reads the SRS, breaks it down, and translates the product goals into structured engineering work. This is the bridge between the managers and the engineers. Before assigning anything, Orchestra already knows the team capacity, open roles, developer status, and current workload. That means planning is based on real bandwidth, not guesswork. Inside their IDE, each developer has their own specialized agents. As soon as the SRS is processed, the right tasks are pushed to the right people. Front-end tasks to front-end engineers and back-end tasks to back-end engineers. This removes manual coordination. The agent then tracks progress, blockers, and workload in real time, helping developers stay on track and keeping deadlines visible. When a manager asks for progress, the Big Boss talks to the reporter agent, pulls live updates from every developer agent, and turns code activity into plain English insights. And because Orchestra learns from every sprint, task allocation gets smarter over time, reducing coordination overhead and improving delivery.
And with Orchestrator, the team is progressing happily and smoothly.